Hey guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to show you an amazing vegetable that every time I show people how it looks inside, nobody can believe it. I'm talking about the spaghetti squash. And exactly how it sounds, this squash looks like spaghetti inside once you shred it with a fork. It is rich in vitamins and nutritional value, which means you're getting tons of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and beta-carotene. It is also high in fiber and low in carbs. It won't mess with your blood sugar the same way high-carb foods do. In the recipe, I make a delicious low-carb magical food with spaghetti squash that is an alternative to replace pasta, depending on your dietary needs. So, let's get our hands dirty. For this recipe, you need the following ingredients: 1 spaghetti squash, halved and seeded, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 5 button mushrooms cut into pieces, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 4 tablespoons of basil, fresh or frozen, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 pinch of pepper. Once you have all that, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the spaghetti squash halves cut side down on a baking sheet. Then bake for 40 minutes or until the flesh is tender. With a fork, scrape the flesh to obtain the spaghetti texture. Add a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Divide half of the tomato sauce, mushrooms, cheese, and basil into each squash half and mix. Bake again for 15 minutes. And there you go. Serve immediately and enjoy your lunch. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to check out other dishes I've created, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.